old dinner recipes got you feeling a little stir-crazy? Well, let's mix it up. It's Mongolian beef stir-fry on Cooking Clean with 30-10. At 30-10 Weight Loss for Life, we love helping people reach their ideal weight and live lives full of flavor. So, let's get to it. And yeah, this is 30-10 approved, in case you're on the program and focused on weight loss. We'll start with avocado oil. 2 tablespoons added to our wok, cranked up to medium-high. Adding ginger and garlic, we'll cook for 30 seconds until fragrant. Slowly pour in the soy sauce and rice vinegar and stir together. Then add the green onions and simmer for about a minute. Now let's get our flank steak in there and blend it up good. For a medium done steak, cook 2 to 3 minutes. You too can cause quite a stir. Mongolian beef stir fry, paired here with tomatoes and sesame ginger green beans. Serve and enjoy.
Lose weight while gaining nutritional know-how. Call or visit us at 3010 Weight Loss for Life. You're worth it.